Le speaker Nazour Ali a en premier lieu dû rappeler maintes fois le leader de l'opposition de ne pas diriger son discours hors des paramètres de la Motion of No Confidence contre Adrien Duval. Le docteur Arvin Boulel a notamment fait allusion à la nomination d'Adrien Duval et la position du père Meusdet et de son leader au sein de l'opposition. À quoi Zaïd Nazour Ali devait répondre « There is no motion against Honorable Xavier Duval » ou encore « I'm not gonna stop you from expressing yourself, but that's not a matter of fact » suite à certains reproches du docteur Arvin Boulel contre Adrien Duval. Ce qui verra par la suite un point de droit du Premier ministre demandant à ce que ces accusations infondées soient effacées du Hansard. Zahid Nazour Ali devait donner l'assurance à Pravin Jagnat qu'il étudiera sa demande et agira en fonction des standing orders.
Since the leader of the opposition has finished his speech, all the allegations that have been unsubstantiated. Now,
Order. Let's hear.
would that be erased from the Hansard?
Order. Honorable Prime Minister, I'm minded to go back to this speech and work my way all the way through it. I'm minded to go back to this speech and read it all through and assess appropriately what's expected from this standing order. You would appreciate that it's been a noisy session. It's not been easy for me to listen to each and every word. There's so much more to be done. But you can rest assured, Mr. Prime Minister, that I'm going to do my utmost best for the dignity and in the interest of the country. You can rest assured.
Alors que le PPS Maël Raoult intervenait à son tour et faisait l'éloge d'Adrien Duval, tout en qualifiant les membres de l'alliance de l'opposition de dinosaures et de bouncers pour leur comportement le jour de l'élection du speaker, une réaction de Patrick Assiavaden et ses échanges avec Xavier Duval lui a valu un « go for a break » comeback de Nazour Ali.
L'honorable Boulel cessez ces attaques non fondées. De plus, il est navrant de constater que vous choisissez d'être dirigé par des personnes comme M. l'honorable Béranger et sa fille, qui ne sont même pas présents pour entendre vos arguments infondés. Monsieur l'honorable Boulel, une fois de plus, vous faites preuve de démagogie en prétendant que le speaker a assisté à une fonction en présence d'un ministre du gouvernement.
Don't you get it when I say order? Wait, I recognize you. One second. If there's too much noise, I have only 2 ears. I can listen to one conversation. Yes, you have a point of order.
Monsieur le Président, il faudra demander aux membres to stick to the motion. Là,
Ah,
il
vous me
raconte...
dites
Monsieur le Président, l'honorable Béranger...
Order. Order. Let me regulate it. I think I'm doing it like fairly. So that once we take it, I've taken your point of order, we're done with it. Please continue. I don't need anybody adding more juice to it. Yes, Honorable Dr. Rao.
Permettez-moi de clarifier ce point. Lorsqu'il a dit que le speaker a assisté à une fonction organisée ou en présence d'un ministre du gouvernement, il n'y a absolument rien d'illégal ou d'inapproprié dans le fait qu'un speaker participe à des événements publics. Cette pratique est acceptable dans notre démocratie. Vos accusations ne sont qu'une tentative désespérée de déstabiliser notre Assemblée sans aucune raison valable. Vous essayez de transformer une action normale et légitime en un scandale politique. Rien dans ces actions n'a enfreint les standing orders ou les principes de notre Constitution. Tenter de discréditer le speaker en utilisant des accusations fallacieuses ne fait que relever la faiblesse de votre position. Monsieur le vice-président, c'était une honte de voir les honorables membres de l'opposition se comporter comme des bouncers de boîte de nuit, faussant la porte de l'hémicycle, bousculant le policier et le...
Order! Order! attacking the conduct of a member. It's not permissible while I'm in the chair. Withdraw it, please. Nobody's a bouncer here. Withdraw it.
I withdraw, Monsieur
you.
le Vice-président.
Honorable Patika Siavaden, go for a break. Come back. Go for a break.
Le député Raoult a poursuivi avec son discours justifiant la nomination d'Adrien Duval. En tant que speaker, le député Kirin devait passer lui aussi un commentaire et il a vite été réprimandé par Zaïd Nazourali.
You're not serious. It's only appeared to me, Honorable Kirin, it only appeared to me, you did not come here to debate on a motion of confidence. Please allow me to do the job.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, coming back to the appointment of the new Speaker, I stand before this Assembly today with a sense of pride and historic significance, as we have witnessed a landmark moment in the story of our Parliament. For the first time, an ex-member from the opposition side, especially the PMSD, has been elected as the Speaker of the National Assembly. This unprecedented event marks a new era of political maturity and bipartisanship in our legislative process. First and foremost, I would like to commend the Prime Minister, Honorable Pravin Kumar Jagannath, for his courageous and visionary approach. By recommending a member of the opposition for the esteemed position of Speaker, the Prime Minister has demonstrated a willingness to bridge political divides and foster a spirit of cooperation. This decision underscores his dedication to enhancing the democratic fabric of our nation and ensuring that all voices are heard in our legislative process. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to our new Speaker, Honorable Adrien Duval. Cette nomination est non seulement un témoignage de ses qualifications et capacités personnelles, mais aussi un symbole de notre engagement en faveur de l'inclusivité et des valeurs démocratiques.
La députée Subhashini Lakshman Roy a dû elle aussi aller faire une petite marche suite à sa réaction alors qu'Alan Ganou évoquait une motion décevante du leader de l'opposition.
18th of October 2022, you attacked the Speaker.
No. Order.
Why don't you apologize?
Order. Honorable Mohammed, order.
It is here.
Order. Honorable Mohammed,
Yes.
what is going on?
I'm telling him to apologize, sir. He gets on his high horses. Apologize.
Honorable Mohammed, with all due respect, you've been here longer than me.
That's why I'm telling you to apologize.
You ought to be recognized first before taking the floor.
I agree.
So who is going to apologize? Oh, such a gentleman. And from now onward, I think your speech is done. Your speech is done?
My speech, give me 10 seconds. 10 seconds.
Order.
10 seconds, not even more.
Order. I'll give you the 10 seconds, but you will withdraw what you just did.
Okay.
Wait.
Everyone knows he should apologize. Let me withdraw it.
Wait.
Apologize.
No. Done.
It is the first time that I have listened to a motion of no confidence against the Speaker. I'm sorry to say it, Mr. Bulel is a very good friend of mine. It is the worst motion speech I have heard. In fact, Honorable Bulel
I'll
has
give you
been
1 second.
making.
I'll listen to you.
Has been making.
I'll
Yes?
listen to him.
Okay.
He has no right. He has no right.
Take a little walk, Honorable Subhashini Lakshman Roy, please. Thank you.
The honourable member has long experience.
And you
He
come back.
cannot here be condescending and insulting with regards to his value judgment here. He can't do that. He's not a teacher in a class.
Done. Done.
Puis l'insistance de la députée mauve Ariane Navarre-Marie d'évoquer des événements jugés inadéquats a mis le feu aux poudres. Et là, nous avons vu les députés Kirin et Asirvaden être une nouvelle fois réprimandés. Dans la foulée, Sandra Mayotte a aussi été priée d'aller faire un tour puis revenir. Idem pour le ministre Deepak Balgobin. Xavier Duval n'y a pas échappé non plus.
May not introduce matter not relevant thereto.
That's what I've already told her. Move.
Monsieur le vice-président, le Premier ministre lui-même avait déclaré en octobre
No.
2022
No. Order. Allow me to get on with the speech. Honorable members. Mr. Kiran. No. It's becoming unbearable. You're always talking and... Allow me to do the job. Allow your friend. She's from your party, isn't she? Is that how you show her respect? Is that how you're going to show her respect, by cross-talking while she's talking? No, support her in the right way. Not like in interrupting her. She's already being... Right now, a last warning. I'm not going anywhere on that topic. I'm minded to stop you completely if you so pushes me. Go on, please.
Il faut rappeler que le Premier ministre avait dit ceci. Mr. Speaker, sir, my child...
Order. Order. Next one I see talking is out. Next one I see talking is out. Wait. Mr. Kika, Mr. Tusa, please go for a walk. Next one who talk is out. Honorable Anne-Marie. Now, let's end point. When I see, I'll deal with whatever I have to deal. Right now, there's no way, Honorable Anne-Marie, that you dwell in a matter that has taken... Please take a walk, Honorable Sandra Mayotte. Take a walk. I'm listening. You're listening to me? By no way you're going to introduce any of those matters that you've tried to introduce at least on 4 occasions. The 5th one might be fatal.
Donc, nous savons, Monsieur le Président, que la nomination de Monsieur Adrien Duval est un deal pour sceller l'alliance entre le MSM et le PMSD pour les prochaines élections générales.
Order. Honorable Patrick Asirvaden, take some fresh air. I'm looking for the next one to take some fresh air. Honorable Deepak Balgobin, fresh air. I order you out. And I'm ordering you out to come back again for 15 minutes only. Honorable Asirvaden, take some fresh air. Don't come back straight away. You came back in 3 minutes last time. This time take 6. I need you to... No. We stay on the debate. No, no. Honorable Xavier Duval, take a walk. No, no, no. No, no. Hold on. You withdraw this word and then take a walk. That is a sula. It's not good. Please withdraw it. Okay.
Monsieur le vice-président, je disais au début de mon discours que selon Erskine May, le speaker is expected to lay aside any party or group affiliation. Or, à peine avait-il été nommé au poste de speaker que M. Duval s'est empressé d'honorer ses nouveaux amis politiques en participant dans un événement éminemment politique dans la circonscription numéro 6.
No. Honorable members, probably amidst all the interveners today, I'm probably the youngest. Amidst all the interveners here. There are parameters, there are rules, there's Erskine May, there are ruling, there are precedents. What does it have to do, Honorable Xavier Duval, have to do with motion of no confidence with the Speaker? I'm here just for a job. I'm not here for politics. I'm not even considering which party I belong to. I'm just doing my job. Please do your job, all of you here. At least work for this country. We're not here to play.
Sa présence dans une fonction politique est une faute extrêmement grave et qui remet en question...
One second. Order.
Cette dernière séance, avant que les travaux ne soient ajournés au 15 octobre, n'a pas été de tout repos pour les parlementaires, y compris pour les membres du gouvernement, ceux de l'opposition et le député speaker lui-même.